hear you scream? Yeah, you guys sound awesome out there tonight. Well, no matter who you are, no matter where you're from, draw your eyes to the center of the dance floor right here at the main stage. We're about to turn it up with some friends that came to party. We call them the SeaWorld Skippers. They're gonna have some fun tonight. Let's do this thing and make it feel good, y'all. Come on. Hey, everybody give them that great energy. Put your hands together, clap it up. Come on, everybody clap it up more. Woo! Give us some energy out there, Club SeaWorld. This right here is Cam, Austin, and Rachel, and they came to party tonight. So we want to see what they've got, but we're gonna need some energy out there. Come on.
I'm feeling electric in my mind. I'm feeling electric, it's space and time. I'm feeling electric, let's hit the floor. I'm feeling electric, I'm feeling walk with me into the middle, talk to me just a little, take my hand, pull me closer, just keep hanging on. The chemistry, no one believes it, it's plain to see that you're the reason I feel this way. Now take a listen to playing our favorite song.
Somebody clap those hands out there.
I'm feeling electric in my
Let's go, SeaWorld, hands up.
I'm feeling electric, it's space and time. I'm feeling electric.
Yeah, the one and only SeaWorld Surfer. Let's go, my boy. Come on.
I'm feeling electric. I'm feeling electric.
Oh, man, come
I'm
on.
feeling electric. I'm feeling
One more time, somebody make some noise for the SeaWorld Skipper. First ladies, SeaWorld Surfer. Let's go out there, my love. Come on. And we'll bring it back one more time. It's almost too early tonight. They got some more to bring you. Right here at the one and only Club SeaWorld. Come on. The SeaWorld Skipper. Let's go.
I'm feeling electric in my mind. I'm feeling electric, it's space and time. I'm feeling electric, let's hit the floor. I'm feeling electric, I just want some more. I'm feeling electric. I'm feeling electric. I'm feeling electric, electric.
We brought you lots of action, lots of amazing energy right here all night long. Of course, enjoy all the beautiful lights in the sky. But most of all, we love your amazing energy out there, Club SeaWorld. Now, if anybody's ready for some more Ignite and for some fireworks, somebody scream!
one pure voice in this place can inspire the human race. One small spark in the night glows for all, spreading life. We're the light of every star, burning bright, and our hearts are holding bright the love ignites. We are all the colors running all together forever. Shoot
summer, the one and only Club C-Glow. And no matter where you go, take this great feeling back home with you. We'll see you back here all summer long at SeaWorld Orlando. Thanks everybody, and good night.